You know, this kid thinks he can chop up more onions than me. He thinks he can chop them up better than me.
There's no way he's gonna beat me at this onion chopping competition.
I'm gonna put this kid in the ground.
That guy has no skills whatsoever, so this is gonna be so easy.
Absolutely. No. I'm going to end this man's whole career.
I am gonna destroy you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
I got
don't know
skills.
about that.
I got bigger knives. Okay,
Shit
maybe
does.
All right, boys. Here are the rules. Perfect julienne. Bonus points for the thinnest slices. No root ends. No dry skin. Keep it clean.
3, 2, 1, go!
Take a step back. Never getting closer. Take 2 steps back and 1 forward. Find that you're never getting closer. From the same image, from real inside. Your lips growing as you are. Eaten from within. The brain affects you. The burden of sin. Your fault will be remade. Even like this again.
I'm seeing some thinner slices from Fran, but you cried into your pile.
Oh, he's getting technical. He's got a ruler? I didn't know there was gonna be a ruler.
That's pretty close.
So many rulers.
I don't even know what he's measuring. What could he possibly be measuring for here?
Oh no.
Terrible sportsmanship all around. But from an objective standpoint, I'm gonna have to give the verdict to Owen.
I'm done.
I knew in my heart of hearts.
Overall, though, Francis is the better person, so.
To the victor, go the spoils.